Hello everyone. Have you ever considered the ethical implications of how you multitask? In a world that glorifies productivity and efficiency, it's easy to overlook the ethical dimensions of our multitasking behaviors. Multitasking isn't just about getting things done. It also involves making responsible choices that affect ourselves and those around us. By the end of today's lecture, you will be able to understand the ethical considerations related to multitasking, recognize the potential negative impacts of responsible multitasking, implement strategies for responsible multitasking in various aspects of your life. Ethical considerations in multitasking involve evaluating the consequences of our actions and ensuring that our behaviors align with our values and societal norms. This includes being honest about our capabilities and maintaining a balance between efficiency and well-being. Being honest about our ability to multitask effectively is crucial. Overcommitting to multiple tasks can lead to poor performance and broken promises. If you're a student managing multiple projects, it's important to communicate your limits to your professor. This transparency helps manage expectations and maintain trust. Irresponsible multitasking can have various negative consequences, including decreased productivity and increased stress. Attempting to handle multiple tasks simultaneously often leads to lower work quality and reduced productivity. Our brains are not designed to focus on multiple tasks at once. A study showed that employees who constantly switched between tasks took longer to complete them and made more errors compared to those who focused on one task at a time. Constant multitasking can lead to heightened stress levels. The pressure to continuously perform multiple tasks can be overwhelming. John, a marketing manager, constantly handling client meetings and project management. The constant pressure led to stress and health issues. Prioritizing his tasks and delegating responsibilities allowed him to reduce stress and improve his overall well-being and productivity. Responsible multitasking involves adopting practices that ensure efficiency while maintaining ethical standards and well-being. Mindfulness can improve focus and reduce the urge to multitask. It promotes full presence in the moment and enhances your productivity. Practice mindfulness techniques such as deep breathing or meditation to center your mind before starting a new task. Regularly assess your multitasking habits and their impact on your work and personal life. This helps identify areas for improvements and ensures that your actions align with your values. A software developer, Emily, conducted monthly self-assessments to evaluate her multitasking habits. These self-assessments revealed patterns that led to stress, prompting her to prioritize quality over quantity. Now, I want you to identify a real-world example of irresponsible multitasking that led to negative consequences in an academic, workplace, or personal setting. Write a case study analysis that includes a summary of the situation, the ethical issue involved, and the outcomes. Propose alternate strategies that could have been used to handle the task more responsibly. Thank you for your valuable participation today. I trust these insights on ethical multitasking will spark meaningful reflection. I look forward to hearing about your experiences next week. Until then, may your actions be guided by integrity and respect.